In this video, I'll show you how to get back old photos design in your iPhone. So as you can see, currently I'm on my iPhone Photos app, and here we can see bunch of different categories here available. Now, to get back the old Photos app design, all you have to need, first of all, go to your Photos app and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here just tap on customize, and here under collections you have to uncheck all of these options. So uncheck all of them one by one. Now just close the settings, and now as you can see, I've successfully get back my old photo app design. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.